Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One. This is an update for when I directly planted the additional seeds that I said I was going to grow. And so this is the zucchini, and I believe it's zucchini and watermelon, but I will confirm. Now look at this. This is the winter squash and radishes, I believe. So look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? It is coming a long way, okay? Alright, my habanero is not looking so good, but I have a feeling it's going to perk up. I prematurely planted them, but I also planted some directly by seed too. And look at here, this is my cauliflower. Alright, and like some of this here too is, let me see, is anything... Okay, something was lasting, okay. But those are peppers and eggplants and those. And let me turn. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Now look at here, my letters, and this is, I will put the pictures out, but it is definitely coming along, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Also, look at my ginger that I decided to grow, to try it out. It's first time growing it, but we'll see how it turns out since it was taking root. Okay. Over here I have the tomato plants that I planted more out. Looks like they trying to come along. I think it's tomato and basil or onions is one of them in this spot. And then the cucumber, the other cucumbers didn't seem like they made it, but this one right here is hanging on for dear life. It's hanging on there. You can see the other one right there that's just like, you know what, forget you. And so over here is also tomato, and I think it's probably basil. But yeah, so it looks like that's coming along good. So yeah, so this is the update that I have for you guys. Thanks for watching.